Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Nmap on Debian. So Nmap is a tool for doing scans on the network. So let's go ahead and open the terminal and see what commands we need to run to install it and run it. So I'm gonna open the terminal here. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that the package list is updated. I'll go ahead and run sudo update. Put in my password, and once that's done, we'll go ahead and install Nmap using sudo apt install Nmap. Y for yes. Okay, that's done. Now we can verify that we actually have it installed using the command nmap version, and that shows us what version of Nmap we have installed. In this case, it's 7.93. Now that we have Nmap installed, we can run it. So the basic command to run Nmap will be nmap and then your target or the IP address for the target or the network. For example, let's do 72.16.1.101, and that gives us a result showing us the open ports here. So the port number, TCP state, it's open, and then the type of service. So these are the different ports that are open on the target that we just ran against, and it says that 977 ports are closed, and this is what it was able to find as open. Now, if you wanted to look at available commands or additional options, you can do nmap-h for help, and it will list the different options that you have available that you can run. There's quite a few of them. There's host discovery, target specification, scan techniques such as TCP SYN, scan. Okay, there's a service version detection. There's script scan, different scripts you can run. There's OS detection. So those are the different options you have available, and then towards the hand here you can see there's examples. For example, if you wanted to run like a -sn, if you're not sure what it is, you can come back up here and you'll see what it says. It says it's a ping scan and it disables port scan. So we can, let's go ahead and try that. Let's go ahead and try this example using the target we ran earlier. So we can do nmap and add the options here. You can say -v, -sn, and as you can see in this case, the results doesn't show us any ports because it just shows us if the target is live or if the host is up. In this case, it's saying one host up. So that's just a quick example of how you can use the options. There's quite a few options, like I said, that you can practice with. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to install Nmap on Debian. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.